Hello children, welcome to this new video. Here in this video I am going to tell you about the usage of relative pronouns. I have already told you about relative pronouns. Who, which, whom, whose, that, etc. etc. are the examples of relative pronouns. Now children, these relative pronouns you know very well are used for connecting two sentences. In fact, in this exercise you will be given two sentences and you have to combine these sentences by using relative pronouns. Now children, directly come to the first example. What is the first example? It is, I know a man, the man has been to Iceland. Now children, these are two sentences and there is also a repetition of noun here, a man, the man. So this makes the whole sentence, these two sentences very absurd, like we are again and again using noun a man twice. So in order to avoid such repetition, we use relative pronoun. I am going to show you how this sentence is combined by using a relative pronoun. See, I know a man. Who had been to Iceland. Now with the use of this word WHO, I have combined both these sentences. Okay children, now come to the next sentence. In fact, the second sentence. The thief stole the watch. The thief was punished. Now how to combine this sentence? The thief who stole the watch was punished. I think it must be clear to you now. Show the road which leads to Delhi. Now here is the doctor. The doctor cured me of malaria. So here is the doctor. Just avoid the use of this noun, the doctor again, and in place of that we use the relative pronoun WHO. The whole sentence goes like this. Here is the doctor who cured me of malaria. I think beta this exercise is getting clear to you how to use relative pronoun. Okay. Next sentence. Here is the doctor. The doctor cured me of malaria. I think this sentence we have done. I met a boy. He was very cruel. Now how to use this sentence? How to combine this sentence by using relative pronoun? See children. I met a boy. Simply remove he here. Who was very cruel. He does his best. He should be praised. Now how to combine this sentence? This is somewhat tricky, but anyway I am going to tell you. He. Beta here we must add WHO. He who does his best should be praised. He who does his best, जो अपना best काम करता है, should be praised. So this is how these two sentences are combined. The man is honest. The man is trusted. Now how to combine the sentence? The man who is honest. Remove the repetition of this word, the man is trusted. So the whole sentence is like this. The man who is honest is trusted. My father is dead. I loved my father. इसमें भी थोड़ा ट्रिकी होना पड़ेगा that the way I am going to show you. My father whom I loved is dead. My father, whom I loved, is dead. Hope you could easily see the sentence I am writing, the solution I am writing. The teacher sent for the boy. Sent for means बेटा बुलाया. The teacher sent for the boy. बच्चे को बुलाया. Who came at once. The next sentence is not given. In fact, the sentence is very lengthy, beta. I couldn't cover that this whole sentence into one picture. Anyway, that's very simple. So this is how you have to use relative pronoun in combine the sentences. I hope you must have got the idea of how to use the relative sentences. Now children, next sentence. Sentence number 11. Wait for a minute. The dog bit the burglar. The burglar had broken into the house. Now see. The dog bit the burglar. Which burglar? Burglar. Who had broken into the house. I combined these two sentences by using the relative pronoun who here. Once upon a time there lived a giant. Who was very powerful and cruel. We met a girl. The girl had lost her way. Now how to combine these two sentences? We met a girl who had lost her way. Kalidas. Kalidas is famous. He wrote some fine dramas. Kalidas who wrote some fine dramas is famous. This is how beta sometimes you have to be very tactful and tricky, and you will get this habit by the way of practicing. He is a rogue. Now who is rogue? Rogue is a person who doesn't have any principles, any moral, जिसका कोई चरित्र नहीं है. तो he is a rogue. No one trusts him. So the sentence, again we have to combine these sentences. How to combine them? Let's see. He who is a rogue is trusted by none. Now come to the next sentence. The child is dead. The child came here yesterday. So the child who came here yesterday is dead. But I am not writing the solution because I haven't left any space for it. Anyway, you can clearly listen. Question number 16. I again repeat the answer. The child who came here yesterday is dead. Now come to sentence number 17. The child is dead. I saw the child yesterday. अब सॉल्यूशन सुनो. The child whom I saw yesterday is dead. Next sentence, sentence number 18. I know the man. he stole the bicycle. It's very simple to combine these sentences. I know the man who had stolen the bicycle. I know the man who had stolen the bicycle. The man stole the bicycle. He had been arrested. The man who had stolen the bicycle had been arrested. Next sentence, beta, sentence number 20. I have found the umbrella. I lost it. So, I have found the umbrella which I lost. I saw a soldier. He had lost an arm. So the answer will be I saw a soldier who had lost an arm. Finally, this is the path. He came by this path. So the answer will be this is the path by which he came. Now see children, there are some more sentences given below, but I won't be covering all those sentences in this video. You know it is not possible to do that, to solve each and everything here. This was just a video to summarize what we have read in the Zoom class. I hope better you understand this topic very clearly. Do practice these exercises that I am giving to you in the Zoom classes, and if you have any doubt, ask me in the class. Okay then children, this is what I have in this video. Thank you. Bye bye.